Hey guys, come on in because today we're making fruit pizza. If you've never heard of it, come on, it's so easy to make and such a great presentation and delicious. So easy. I am going to use just plain sugar cookie dough that's already done. You can make your own if you want. You can make it on a pizza pan, spread it all out, and bake it like that. We like individual ones. So they're little round cookies, okay? That's the reason why I bought these. Or, like I said, you can still make your own. But we're all about easy, okay? So there's 24 of these. And I'm just going to put them right here on my cookie sheet and bake them at 350 degrees. Guys, so easy. And, like I said, makes a very pretty presentation when you get your fruit all on there. I used to take them to work. They loved them. Plus, I had somebody request these. So, we're making them. Alright, we're baking 12 at a time. Because we're going to make 24. So, I'm putting these in the oven, 350 degrees. Let me get that in there. Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes, starting now.
In the meantime, oops, I'm getting butter all over me. We're going to make some cream cheese frosting to put on there. I have seen it done with like marshmallow cream and cream cheese, I believe. Or whipped cream. I don't want that. I like the cream cheese frosting. So, first off, I am sifting some of this powdered sugar because it's got lumps in it. Get that done. I got 2 cups here. I don't know what we'll need. We may need more. But I have cream cheese, 1 block, and about 3/4 of a stick of butter. So, all room temperature. Let's see if we can get this mixed up without getting it all over me.
What would be the fun of that?
Guys, if you've ever made these, let us know how you do them and what you put on top of them. I was wanting to put kiwi on it, but I couldn't find kiwi unless you bought like 6 or 8 of them, and I didn't want to buy that many because we won't eat it after just on top of these. So we're using blueberries, strawberries, grapes, bananas. And we won't be able to fit all that on each one, so we'll have to pick and choose what we want. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla in here. And guys, there's so many different recipes that you can use to make cream cheese frosting. Sometimes I make it one way, sometimes I'll make it another. So, just kind of pick what you want. It's the consistency that you want as far as how much cream cheese you use. Some people like it runny. I like it a little more like just being able to spread it a little thicker. Okay. So I'm going to add some of this powdered sugar here. Like I said, I have 2 cups in between everything here. I haven't got it all spread out or all sifted in here yet. That's what I should have my sous chef doing.
He's under the weather.
Alright, that's a little bit. So let's mix this all up. I have seen them just use 1 8-ounce thing of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and some vanilla. That's not enough for me. I want mine thicker than that. Alright, let's get the rest of our powdered sugar, or what we got here anyway.
If you move that bag, we can see it. There you go.
Let's see if I can get this all in there now. Oops. I really a lot down in there.
Does that get moisture? Is that what makes it clump?
Yeah, I guess. It's hard to reseal those bags back, so I just use a clip on them. Sometimes you buy them though and they're already like that. Alright. See? That's good consistency of spreading onto our cookies. So now, we're just going to wait until our cookies are done and we'll put it together and show you. Alright, here's my granddaughter Jenna. She's finishing up the fruit pizzas. There's what they look like. And there's banana right there in front of you if you want to try that. In front of you, not behind you.
Oh, in front. Right there. Yeah, right there.
And she's pregnant and she is going to be induced on June 3rd. So it's almost here. It's going to be a little girl. So she's putting grapes on there and strawberries. And here goes the banana.
That one's not very pretty.
We got blueberries, grapes, strawberries, and bananas. So whatever you want to put on them. But there's what they look like. Nice and pretty. And you want to give yours a taste, the one you just did? Good.
Really
huh?
good.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show.
Peace.
Peace out, guys. Have a great day.